Hi everyone, my name is Garvin. I'm a co-founder and CEO of Saner.AI. As someone with ADHD, we've experienced firsthand how hard it can be to manage and use information across multiple apps like Google Docs, Slack, and Gmail. Constantly switching between them not only distracts us, but also make it hard to remember where is said information or when I have a task to be done by deadline. Being productive feels like an impossible dream. But we are not alone. Nearly 400 million adults globally have symptomatic ADHD. And beyond that, there are over 1 billion people facing similar challenges, less painful. Most existing apps are often too overwhelming, fragmented, and complex, non-neurotypical people like us. This is where Saner.AI comes in to help. Our solution helps you integrate and centralize all your information into one intuitive app. On top of that, we offer a personal AI assistant to help you remember and manage everything effortlessly. With just one app, you can receive personalized reminders and avoid them from all your news sources. Then, you can plan, prioritize, and get any of your tasks done easily. Then, you can get instant answer to your any question from AI assistant that know you. And we need to exist now because this problem is exploding. Millions of adults with ADHD in the U.S. cost the economy $30 billion annually in lost productivity. Now, it makes the global impact. 400 million people struggling every single day. And it's not just them. The digital age is creating more ADHD-like challenges for more knowledge workers. Our attention span had dropped below the goldfish. 80% of people said they got overwhelmed by the information and wasting half of their workday finding the info they need. And this is on top of productivity because only recent AI advances make it solution the first time possible. And second, our competitors ignore the unique challenges of ADHD. Worse, they fragment user workflow, forcing users to switching between note, task, task, and work assistant. Only Saner.AI is designed to unify these challenges, these use cases. With that, our initial market is about 300 million, marketed on English-speaking adult, ADHD adult, Nordic worker. Then the market can grow to billions of dollars. And we started Saner.AI last year with a subscription model. Now, with over 16,000 users, creating more than 115 notes and messages, all with no marketing cost. So, we are aiming to achieve 1 million ARR within this year with a team that has strong skill in business, technology, and experience at leading company and startup before. We are backed by Techstar, and we are raising $200K to make it happen. So, join us to empower millions of people to become saner, more productive, and reach their true potential. Thank you.